Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of your review channel, Thermos. Yes, the brand, stainless steel King Travel tumblers 2-pack. We're going to do an unboxing, take a quick look at this, and tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Today we're talking about thermoses. Not just any kind of thermos, the brand Thermos, okay? This thing is pretty awesome. We were looking for something to keep our coffee hot or our cold drinks cold. And we were just tired of just having cold drinks, the hot drinks constantly getting cold. It's annoying. And actually cold drinks, the ice is melting and just getting warm, and that's annoying. So we come up with this kind of solution here. So these are a couple of tumblers, whatever you want to call them. Each one is 16 ounces. So you get two 16-ounce, okay? So 470 milliliter, the travel tumblers basically. So a dishwasher safe, which is really important. Single cup compatible, I guess that means for Keurig. I guess that makes sense, right? It's got a 5-year warranty, which is kind of cool. I like the colors. The colors are red and almost like a, I don't know if it's like it's not gray, but like a pewter. Yeah, so you got like a really kind of cool red and a pewter silver, which is kind of cool. So hopefully you can see that. That's really kind of cool. Again, the brand is Thermos. And let's see what else we have. So it includes two. And take a look at the back here. It starts hot and stays hot, which is really important. So 7 hours of heat. So it keeps the item 7 hours warm. That's what it says. Or 18 hours cold. So if you have something cold in here, it should keep it cold for 18 hours. We'll get into a long-term test later on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll show you that video. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can see that as well. So it has a lot we'll take a look at the features of all this. It has vacuum technology. So I'm under the impression, honestly, so I have a little controversy here. I was under the impression that anything that was vacuum sealed, you should not put into a dishwasher. Because the intense heat, I don't know if a lot of people know this, can actually break the seal. You don't see it, you can't tell it. You can't tell, you don't know, but then you'll notice that your coffee's not staying as hot as long, or your drink is not staying as cold as long. I'm not sure. It does say dishwasher safe, so I am a little concerned about that. I have read some research online that can be an issue. So just to be aware, I would just hand wash this. I'm not sure if I would put this in the dishwasher. That's just my opinion. Okay, so let's take a look at this here together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link down below where you can find something like this as well. If you're looking for a tumbler thermos for your hot or cold item, I think it's kind of cool. I think today everyone's, especially today everyone's working at home and everyone's doing their own thing. So everyone's looking for more convenience and also accessibility to keep things colder, keep things hotter. It's just annoying when you have a hot cup of coffee. I have a cup of coffee here, right? And then 20 minutes later, 15 minutes later, it's cold. So you're constantly microwaving everything, which is annoying. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, give me a like on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below. Tell me what you use. If it works for you, if you have another product that you like, don't want me to review, let me know. I'll be glad to do that. Just let me know what you think as far as what you use. So there's a little thing in the back here, so it's being held so you can see. So this little, all you have to do is just bend these little tabs in, like this here. Hey guys, appreciate your time as always. Please don't forget to subscribe. It does help my channel out quite a bit. Let's get back into the review. I hope you're enjoying this unboxing of these awesome Thermos tumblers. Let's go.
Here, this comes all the way out of the package, you can see, just like that. Okay, then they sit into this little mount, and those come right out. Just take that to the side. Okay, so to take them off here, there's 2 screws. So don't have to kill yourself with it. Just unscrew. Let's unscrew this one. You can see that comes right off. That one there. Let's take off the second one. All right, so quality build, as far as I'm concerned, excellent. Quality build is excellent, okay? This is, I mean, you can't go wrong with the Thermos brand. I mean, they've been around for forever. A little instruction booklet in here. You can read that if you want. Take that to the side for now. So you can see it's stainless steel inside in here. Okay, so it's got an air channel inside here, and it's sealed. So what the air channel does is act as an insulator. So it keeps things hot, keeps things cold. That's how that works. So I'm just concerned about the dishwasher thing, because the dishwasher gets extremely, extremely hot. And you might not see it, and the seal could possibly go. And if the seal goes, it will not perform as intended. And that's something you just need to be aware about, to be aware of in the future that you need to know. I'm not sure about these gaskets if they dry out in the heat, because don't forget, dishwashers today, they are wicked hot. I mean, they get so hot, you can't touch the dishes when it's done. Okay, so I like the feel of it. It's got a good feel. Okay, so my wife likes the red. I'll have the pewter, which is fine. It has a little knob here that you open and close. Okay, let's see here. So, yep, that's the open. So you can see in here. I don't know if you can see, but this opens in here. Then you tilt this, and it locks it. So you can drink out of it using this here. Hopefully you can see here. It says open, close. So that's how you drink out of it. So it opens and closes a little channel in here. So that's how you keep it cold. That's how you keep it extra hot, I guess. You just keep that closed, I guess. But so that helps with spills. So you know it won't spill while you're traveling. And they're both equal. They do the exact same thing. They are made in China. United States patent on the bottom. I like the cool look of this. Kind of cool, right? Fits in the cup holder. Should be no problem fitting in any size standard cup holder. It's got the right size. Bottom on it looks like it'll fit well to me. It's got good weight to it. They are like yeah, they're definitely like a plasticky. No, not plastic, like a metal. They're definitely metal. Yeah, there's no question about it. The metal with the nice, looks like a baked enamel on it or something kind of, I don't know, whatever it is. It's kind of cool, whatever it is. Nice quality products. I think they're kind of cool. I just wanted to bring this to your attention to show you these right here. These are really kind of cool tumblers. I mean, if you're looking for a tumbler, I think Thermos brand is probably one of the best around. They've been around since 1904, so the box says. I do believe that. All right, guys. So just want to bring this quick unboxing to you about these Thermos tumblers. If you want something hot, you want something cold, keep it cold. I think these will do the trick for you. All right, guys, I don't want to make this a very long review. Please don't forget to like, share, and also please subscribe to my channel. It does help me out quite a bit. And also leave down below in the comments what you use, how it works for you, other brands that you use. Just give me some feedback. Let me know about tumblers in general, these hot and cold tumblers, some of what you use and where you get them, and let the community know. It does help everybody out as always. That's what we're all doing here on the review channel, is just trying to give information out to people so they can make educated consumer decisions. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I appreciate your time as always. And don't forget, happy coffee. Keep the coffee cold. Even iced coffee, right? You have iced coffee, you can put iced coffee in here, hot coffee, any kind of drink at all. It works. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next review.